Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. Today we are going to be showing you our desk setups. Now New Zealand is back in lockdown, so we haven't been able to film any videos together. So we thought this would be a fun idea to give you guys some inspiration if you are also working from home, but also film something from the comfort of our own homes without having to meet up or leave. So with that all out of the way, let's dive on into the desk tour, starting with our first category of furniture. We're talking desks and chairs here. So my office desk is actually just from Warehouse Stationery. It's super affordable. I really like it because it has this big drawer as well. And Tara also has another great affordable option with a drawer and little cubby, and this one is from Kmart. I always get a lot of questions about my pink and gold office chair, so I have to mention that it's from just a local furniture store in Auckland, so I will link that in the description box for anyone who is interested. When it comes to the technology, we have quite different setups because Tara is a designer, so she has a whole bunch of tools and gadgets for that, and I am a social media manager. Tara works primarily off a MacBook Pro, but also has a second screen and a Wacom. For me, I have a MacBook Air with a nice little laptop stand that I love because I can also convert it into a tripod for my phone for live streams on Instagram. My favorite thing on my desk is my ergonomic keyboard and mouse. The keyboard is from Microsoft and the mouse is from Logitech. Lastly, I have my Shure mic for recording podcasts. A few other bits of tech on Tara's desk are her AirPods, which are fantastic for Zoom meetings and listening to music while she works. Lastly, we have her iPad, which again is great for doing design and graphics and illustrations. This app that she's using on her iPad is called Procreate, and it's also how she made the fun little title graphics for this video. For stationery, I always have a couple of notebooks. This is my favorite notebook, again, just from Warehouse Stationery. I'm using it to plan out my new course. And then I have some notes from another course that I did myself. Most of the stuff on my desk is also from Warehouse Stationery, apart from this little crystal bowl. This is a Royal Doulton bowl that I just store all of my memory cards in. We also both have lots of sticky notes around on our desk, always pink. And then the other last desk essential is just having some water with you to stay hydrated throughout the day. Moving on to the walls. I have quite an interesting setup on my wall. I have sticky notes at the moment. I actually just took these down the other day. And this is for my course planning and my course students. Then we also both have mood boards. My one's in a frame, Tara's is on a pin board. And that brings us to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little sneak peek into our home office and desk setup. Make sure you like and subscribe for more videos, and we will see you in the next one.